If you appreciate consistency and organization in your Premiere Pro projects, you will love this Automation Blocks tool, which cleans up all label colors in your project panel in a single click. After you selected the tool, in the Inputs panel you can customize the colors which the different kinds of items in your project should have. If we now run the tool, you can see that all label colors of the selected items update. If you uncheck the option to process only selected items, the tool updates all labels in your entire project. Each time you select the tool, the drop-down options here go back to their default value. If you like to have other default values, you can simply customize the tool. Each of these red input blocks creates one of the drop-downs here in the input panel. Here is a list of options available in the first drop-down, for example, and always the first option is chosen by default. So if you want to have lavender instead of iris as a default option, you can simply cut this value including the vertical bar after it and paste it at the beginning. Let's save this custom variant in the user library. And if we now select the original tool, it still has iris as a default color for movie items, but if we choose our variant from the user library instead, it has lavender chosen by default. So that's how easy you can create a variant which uses your favorite colors by default. The tool to change label colors is just one of many tools in Automation Blocks which help you to stay organized. In addition to giving the items consistent label colors, you can also sort them into bins quickly, for example. And of course, we have a tutorial for this tool too.